Hello, good evening, students. Today's transcription number back of 172 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. It is for the authorities to patronize and encourage those doctors who are ethical, who practice medicine in an ethical way, and unless and until greater patronage is extended to them or their services are recognized, it will not be possible for medical ethics to be observed by all persons properly. I can give an example. There was a general strike of postal workers, and about 400 to 500 persons fell sick according to medical certificates on one day. That speaks ill of the profession, and it is for the profession to see that such doctors do not lower the prestige of the profession as a whole. This is a good measure. Medical ethics has been brought within the purview of the Medical Council in this bill, and I hope by having an all India standard, things will be better. On the whole, this bill is one of the best bills because it has come after the Medical Council has been in existence for some time and the lacunae or the difficulties which they have observed have been removed. But I would request the minister and through you, madam, the medical council itself, that instead of sending all the reports to the state ministries concerned, they should also correspond with the universities directly, because there are certain medical colleges which are under the universities, and the universities are autonomous bodies. Those medical colleges are not under the state. I would plead with the Union Ministry of Health as well as the state ministries to deal with the problem of lowering of standard of education. Whatever lowering of standard has taken place has been because the states have been eager to multiply the number of medical colleges, but the required number of teachers is not forthcoming. The experience is not there. If you insist on 5 years' experience for a professor, it is possible one university may appoint him, but another university may not. I know of a case where a person with hardly 1 year's experience or no experience at all has been appointed professor. If the same person were to apply to another university, he would not be appointed. Therefore, there should be a uniformity of standard maintained in the matter of appointments. Otherwise, the universities which are strict institutions which follow the regulations laid down by the Medical Council of India will find that the talents from their institutions fly away to the other institutions where they are not so rigid. In one place, if a lecturer cannot become a reader, in another university he becomes a professor because of the paucity of teachers.